up everyone, it's me again, Kiko, and I'll be doing another reaction video. And this time I'll be reacting to a new singer. She is Zhavia, and I think she is so famous right now, and she actually joined the 4, which is televised by Fox. This is my first time to react to her performance because a lot of my friends told me that she sings so good and she sounds someone here in the Philippines. So without further ado, let's go and watch the video. That's it. So this is just a 1-minute clip of Zhavia Congratulations cover by the 4 2018. So yes, she actually sounds like Casey Tandingan and Moira here from the Philippines, but I think she's more younger because she's only 16. The style is the same, but they have this magic in their voices. They have different magics, different style. I know that style. Different attack on the song. Like we have Casey and Moira and now Zhavia. I can't compare the 3 because both of them were great and wonderful and talented. Well, this girl Zhavia has a career. She can lead, she can boom in the American music industry because of her skill, the way she sings, R&B, very clean, very stylish, and very fresh. Well, this girl is, I don't know what is the update of the 4, but I'll try to research all about her, and well, she's a really sensation right now. Videos got viral here in the Philippines and I think in the other part of the world also. So that's it. If you have any videos of Zhavia's cover you want me to react, just drop the comment down below. Click the like button if you like this video and smash the subscribe button if you didn't subscribe yet. And that's it. Bye guys.